So on the 20th of May 2024, YouTube officially monetized this YouTube channel. And I equally made a video on this channel talking about how I became monetized on this YouTube channel. And this is officially my fastest YouTube channel to have gained monetization. However, since then, I have not made a single dollar from YouTube. And this has gone as far as 23 days to 28 days. And I want to discuss with you, I just want to share with you why this is happening, why I have not earned anything from YouTube, so that if you are trying to do YouTube, you get an understanding of how the entire platform works. So this is the channel overview in the last 28 days. And you can see that in the last 28 days, this channel has gotten more than 7,700 views, which ordinarily should be earning me somewhere around $15 to $20, which is not really that bad for a channel that doesn't upload a lot of content. If you come here, you see that this is in an upward trend. And so far, we've gotten to 252 watch hours and then plus 33 subscribers. But the estimated revenue is absolutely zero, which means I've not earned anything. All these views, they are completely free because YouTube actually places adverts on some of these videos. So YouTube basically takes all of the money, why I personally do not receive anything. So you begin to wonder, why is this happening? Why does this happen? Why have I not earned any money at all? So before that, you want to look at this rate time. You can see that so far we have gotten 1,714 subscribers, and traditionally YouTube requires just 1,000 subscribers for you to get monetized. And in the last 48 hours, this channel has gotten more than 700 views. This basically just tells you that this channel is doing fairly okay. But however, I still have not earned any money on this channel. So what exactly is the problem, and why is YouTube not giving me any money for the job I've done and for the job that I keep doing? So if I come to the earning tabs here, we want to dig deep and find out why exactly I have not earned any money. So if you come right here again, this is the earn tab, and this is where you see all your commissions and stuff like that. So if you come here, we come to getting paid. It says that I have completed my payment setup. This is basically for people who are monetized. So you monetize and then you set up your payment setup. I've already connected an AdSense account. In my last video, I basically showed you how to do that. However, I have still not earned any money, because if you come the top here, I have three options to actually earn money currently on YouTube. And these three options, they are not very useful to me because of the kind of content I publish on this channel, and because this is not an influencer channel. And the first kind of monetization option I have here is the membership. And here, what it simply means is that I have people who become a member of my community, and I am supposed to bill these people either monthly or yearly or wherever, just to create a community. Again, this kind of channel is not that kind of channel where you create communities, because it's a problem solving kind of channel. It is not an influencer channel, so that's not going to work. Another option is called the super thanks, and that is when you watch a video, you like this video, you decide to tip these people. You are saying thank you for making this video. Again, this kind of channel doesn't really do well for super thanks, and nobody has given me any money, and I do not hold it against them because I do not even expect this from them. However, the third option is shopping, and here what I can do is to sell stuff like a merch or stuff like that. I am not mentally ready to go into that, and again, this channel doesn't fit into this kind of things. This kind of options, they work better for influencer channels and very big YouTube channels. This channel is not that big for me to be able to leverage on these monetization options that YouTube has given me. So basically what YouTube has given me, they are not very useful to me, and YouTube has been taking all the money because they put ads on the video and stuff like that. However, you wonder, how did I even get all these things? How did I become qualified for all these things and so on? So if I come down here, you notice that at the bottom here where we have eligibility, I have surpassed the 1000 subscribers required. And then here where it says the public watch hour, I still have some work to do. I need to hit 4,000 before YouTube will allow me use the most common way to earn money, which is advert placement. This is the most important part for most YouTube content creators. So if I come up here, you can see that it says I should continue to grow to unlock more ways to earn, including the option to show ads on your video, which is this one, which is earn money from ads and YouTube Premium on watch pages. So you can earn money from ads around your videos or from your YouTube Premium users. So this is basically the most important part for a channel like this, but I am not yet qualified for that. So the reason why I'm not qualified is because I am yet to hit this 4,000 public watch hours, and we still have about 900 or 840 hours to go to become eligible to actually place adverts on the website. So this is what actually happens when you get 500 subscribers and then you hit 3,000 watch hours. YouTube will unlock these ones, will unlock these three for you, but they are basically very useless to you because most times small channels don't get tips, they don't get membership, people don't buy anything from them, so it's just there for the sake of being there. So how exactly do I make money? So how exactly do I make money from this channel, or do I even make any money at all? And the simple answer is yes. I've made a few money from this channel, from these videos. If you watch these videos, you notice that these videos, they are the kind of videos that would do well with affiliate marketing. So I basically have referral programs that I've joined for some of these products, and I basically earn a few commissions when some persons click on the links and decide to buy any of these products that I have been making videos about. So is it possible to earn money without the ads page? Yes, it is, but the ads page is basically the easiest method, and this is why YouTube has not paid me any money. I hope this video has been helpful. Please ask me any questions you have in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you and answer any of your questions. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.